Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
And we are live. Okay, hey everybody. We've got our patient here. He's a CNC machinist. So you make things out of metal, right?
Right.
All right, so I'm just going to call you Metal Maker. How's that sound? That'd be a good nickname for you. You've got this thing. I'm going to just show my hand so people kind of get an idea. Here's my hand compared to the size. So this is actually 4.8 magnified. But you've had this thing on your back for a long time. You said most of your life.
Right.
Right? Okay. And has it ever bled?
No.
Has it changed colors?
No.
Has it been gradually getting bigger?
No.
Does it ever hang up on your clothing?
No.
No. So no, it's never really been a big problem. It's just sort of there.
Right.
Okay. All right. So, well, you're here for a general physical this morning. I noticed that, and I said, you know what? Why don't we take that off? Because in the future, it could end up changing colors and becoming concerning. I do not think this is a cancer. I think this is just a good old-fashioned mole or a benign nevus. But what we're going to do is we're going to send this off to the pathologist to have it checked. All right?
Okay.
Just have it looked at under a microscope. So I'm going to use a little bit of betadine here and just kind of cleanse the area first. This is a very simple procedure, very quick procedure. I know you're a bit nervous, Mr. Metal Maker,
Right.
but you need not be, okay?
Okay.
You're good.
And you're okay if we record your procedure for all our friends on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay,
It's fine.
cool. All right. Okay, so two things are about to happen. And the first one is you're going to feel real cold because Gummy Jean's going to spray the cold spray on you. And then you're going to feel an injection. A little stick, sting, and a burn right there. Stick, sting, and a burn it is. Medicine's going in. And a little bit more right here. Very little bit more. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift the mole, take the scissors, and snip it off. It's gone. Now we're putting this in the pathology cup, the specimen cup, so that we can have it analyzed like we talked about. But your mole is gone.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to grab a single stitch, and we're going to put a stitch in where the mole was. And the stitch will come out in about a week. Now you can either come and have us take it out, or you can take it out yourself. I don't mind if you do it yourself. Okay?
Okay.
All right, Metal Maker. Guess what?
You're
finished.
done.
You're finished.
Great job.
Thanks for letting us record.
Okay.
And of course, if we get any unusual information back from the pathologist. All right, bud. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Took it today, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So tell me what you just told me, just like spontaneously here, no rehearsal.
Well, when I told my wife that, and she didn't believe me, but I told her, I said, in the morning sometimes I'm dragging and I have it on my desk at work, and I take it, and an hour later, I'm wired up. I'm not. It doesn't make me jittery. Just gives you a lot of energy.
You're just ready to go, right?
My boss is like, "What the hell did you take?"
Oh, that's fantastic. And we're talking about Meta 7, right?
Yes, sir.
All
Meta
right.
7.
All right. And you recommend it for your friends?
I really do.
How long have you been taking it now?
About a year.
Yeah, it's a good product,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes,
so
sir.
you were one of those that got to take it before we had it in the
Redone, yeah,
before we had it manufactured.
Yeah.
Man, hey, I appreciate you letting me make a little video.
No problem.
If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.